Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Kim Kardashian at Met Gala 2025 look and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can use this hairstyle and also this makeup, and you can color the hair black, and then to recreate the Kim Kardashian look at Met Gala 2025 when it's set from the style showdown. So make sure you have won the style showdown. Okay, we're going to wear this dress. All right, and then let's move to the necklace area, and then I'm going to put on some necklaces here. The first one, I'm going to wear this necklace, and we're going to color it white, all white, for the first until third selection. Just color it white, and then we're gonna wear this one as well, color it white. Okay, and then I'm gonna wear this earring. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to wear this necklace. Okay, and it will create something like this. And let's go to the hat area, and then I'm going to wear this cowboy hat, and then I'm going to color it black, all black. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to wear shoes. So I'm going to go to this area and then wear this shoe. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Kim Kardashian Met Gala 2025 look without a VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.